Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I lost a socket the other day, so I ordered just a single socket, and I found a pretty good price on Amazon. So I'm going to give you a link to that. I was missing, I think it's a 13. Of course, it'll probably show up after I get the new socket. But in the meanwhile, I was thinking about how many times I've picked up a socket, a bunch of sockets on a rail, like this, for example, and had them fall off. This one's probably not the one that falls off. Let me see if I can find the one that falls off. Yeah, that's the one right there. So I thought of getting a new socket organizer. So I think these are going to be pretty nice, and I wanted to show them to you. Yep, these are the ones that I ordered. And what I'm going to do, I may order some more actually. Let's see if that socket's in here. Yeah, maybe the socket will come separately. Okay, get this out of the way. What I decided to do is put all my SAE sockets on red organizers, and I'll put my metric sockets on blue organizers, just so I don't have to pick them up and go find my glasses and figure out which is which. So let's open this up and try it on that one. How's that? So each one of those has 16, I think. Well, I should actually count them. This one has 16. And this is a set that has half-inch, quarter-inch, and 3/8. This is the half-inch, I guess. Yeah. Let's get the 3/8 in because those are 3/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's also 16. What I've seen some guys do is cut these to lengths. If you only have like 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 or 12, you can cut these to different lengths and put this cap back on there, so you don't have to leave them all the long way. Also, once I get my metric set, and I think I'll get another triple set of half-inch, 3/8, and quarter. Let's take the other one out. You can, if you had like a really big set, you could take some off of one and put them onto another one. But I just ordered the one set right now because I wanted to see what they look like. They're really nice. That's aluminum. This is plastic, but it's got a steel ball bearing in it, spring loaded. I am really liking these. So let's put some sockets on there. You know, the other thing you could do is put SAE and metric on the same organizer. If you had, say, 8 and 8. I don't know. I got to think about that a little bit. But I am going to order another set because I have a lot of socket sets. And, deep sockets. I have impact sockets. And then these are standard sockets. So anyway, there you go. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification. Click on the link if you want to go right to where I got them. I do get a tiny commission on that. Believe me, it's tiny. Okay. These are not cheap, but how many times have you wasted a lot of time dropping sockets off of this and they roll under your workbench, and then you got to get some kind of a grabber or magnet or something to go. This is going, wait for it, right there. Goodbye. I'm never going to have to go searching for sockets again. Okay, see ya. Froggy out. Bye-bye. There, just for the heck of it, I put them all together. A 1/2 inch drive, 3/8 quarter, and this one's metric, I think. Yeah, that's metric because I'm missing the 13. So, yeah, I'm still thinking about whether I want to just use up all this space or cut them to length. Tell me down in the comments what you guys and gals think I should do on these. They're not cheap. They're like, how much were they? Like $10 a piece. But if you use them as much as I use them, it's worth it. These and even this here, they're always either too loose or too tight. You know, they never get it quite exactly right. I had a hard time getting some of these off. So, just a little postscript there, okay?